sa DOTV sa Bayang Karirista. Good evening. All set and ready to race. Race number 1, Santana Park, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Touch of Gold. Final judgment, Euromax in between horses. And moving up on the outside, Admiral Contender, Potpot's Love, and Lucky Paul is bringing up the rear. And as they leave the straight, it's Touch of Gold in the lead, Potpot's Love, Final Judgment, Euromax in between horses, and Admiral Contender running in fifth, and bringing up the rear is Lucky Paul. And into the backstretch, it is still Touch of Gold by a length and a half, followed by Euromax on the outside in second, and Potpot's Love by the rail in between horses, Final Judgment, and Admiral Contender running in fifth. Moving up on the inside is Lucky Paul. The mid backstretch, it is still Touch of Gold by a length and a half, Potpot's Love running in second, and on the outside Euromax, Final Judgment, Admiral Contender, and Lucky Paul now moving up on the inside. Another far turn, it is still Touch of Gold by 2.5 lengths, followed by Potpot's Love in second, and Euromax moving up on the outside, Admiral Contender to take third, and on the inside is Lucky Paul. The last bend for home, it is still Touch of Gold leading the field now by 3.5 lengths, followed by Potpot's Love moving up on the outside, Admiral Contender, and Lucky Paul moving up on the inside. The top of the stretch, it is still Touch of Gold in the lead by 3.5 lengths, Lucky Paul moving up on the inside, and Admiral Contender, Potpot's Love. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Touch of Gold on the outside, and Lucky Paul moving up on the inside, and Admiral Contender on the further outside. And finally, at the payoff line, it's Touch of Gold, Lucky Paul, Admiral Contender, Potpot's Love,